Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Sportage versus Kia Niro. We'll dive into their distinct characteristics, helping you understand which compact SUV might best suit your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from their exterior dimensions and available powertrains to their interior comfort and technological offerings. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what each model brings to the table. When it comes to performance, the Sportage typically features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 187 horsepower. For those prioritizing fuel economy, the Niro shines with its hybrid powertrain, offering up to 54 miles per gallon on the highway. The Sportage also offers a hybrid variant, which boosts power to 227 horsepower while still achieving an impressive 44 miles per gallon on the highway. Both vehicles offer a smooth driving experience, but their approaches to power and efficiency differ significantly. Inside, the Sportage generally offers more generous passenger and cargo space, with up to 74.1 cubic feet of cargo volume with the rear seats folded. The Niro, while smaller, still provides a respectable 63.7 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. Both models come equipped with modern technology, including available 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment systems with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll find comfortable seating and thoughtful design in both, catering to different needs for interior room and tech integration. Considering value, the Kia Niro typically has a starting manufacturer's suggested retail price around $28,435, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Sportage, a slightly larger SUV, generally starts at approximately $27,390, offering a strong value proposition for its size and features. Both vehicles come with Kia's excellent warranty. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize maximum fuel efficiency and a compact footprint, or greater space and a more powerful standard engine. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.